Lola ko na po. Dead ka po. Tama. Ah.
Ito dapat nila kapag.
Mama, say hi. Ganyan ba talaga dapat yung puso?
Nagulo na. Ito na.
Today, we are all witnesses to the fruits of hard work and dedication of 229, 80, and 91 candidates for the degrees of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, Bachelor of Science in Management Accounting, and Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information Systems, respectively.
Aside from the fact that the first few years of our ANVN life had been marred by the pandemic, we also faced numerous challenges that tested our resilience and determination. There is a popular saying often quoted by us, "Kapwa ANVN lang ang nakakaintindi sa kapwa ANVN." And as we journeyed through rigorous examinations, sleepless nights, and seemingly unending deadlines.
Not to forget the people who have become part of your success. Your parents and your guardians, your teachers, the support staff, the administrators, your classmates and friends, and even those many unknown people.
Abuan Justine Mel Lorendo, Canlas Charina Andrea de Jesus, Cantos Zaira Kim Gonzaga, Carlos Christine Faith Aquino, Charina Andrea de Jesus, Cantos Zaira Kim Gonzaga.
Ever taking to heart that I am part of the Tomasan family, committed to its values and dedication to highest ethical standards, professional excellence, and social responsibility.
Parents and guests occupying the 3rd and 4th levels, please exit through doors B2, C2, B3, and C3 respectively.
Hi guys. So, ang ganda ko to. Hindi, sa vlog tiglaw. Wala lang nakakita. Ay, sa harap ba? Ay, wait! Pause! 1, 2, 3, go! Pag ako nadapa. Dahil hindi. Asin yung phone. Nasa bag. You want to see the classrooms?
Dito kami nagpiling ng komple. And then formal service.
Let's go pray.
Comprehensive exam.
this one, kita nyo? Nagre-reflect. Yung problema kanina, bago yung processional, guys. Yung ilong ko, sobrang like, oil na siya. Sobrang oily na talaga niya. Tapos like, wala akong tissue nun. Panoorin niyo guys, yung processional. Ilagay mo yung clip dito.
Ilalagay ko nga. Inuunahan mo na.
Yung yung nandun ako sa gitna yan. Buti na hindi kita yung eyes ko dun. Boosh! Ang ganda. Ang ganda na sana, namumula lang yung mata. Hindi guys, kanina sa stage, parang inisip ko yung mga gagawin ko, parang lalakad ako dahan-dahan. Tapos magsa-stomach in ako kasi makikita pala yung dress ko, fitted sa may tension ko. Pero nung nandun ako sa stage, parang lumulutang na ako. Hindi ko lang maalala ang tinatawag yung pangalan ko.
Hindi na nakaka...
So parang kung ano na lang yung gawin ng katawan ko. Like yung utak ko, lumulutang na lang. At pala dinagdagan ko. Glowy naman, dazzle in. So, iti-try natin siya ngayon kung gano'n talaga siya anong tawag dun? Kung long-lasting, ka-long-lasting. Hindi mo siya. Tapos, shake. Yung brush. Ayan. Malalaman natin, guys, kung gano'n siya ka-long-lasting.
Powder. Plain. Kaya talaga napalan pala ang aking blush kasi for sure magpa-powder ulit ako. Pwede na yan. Mascara. Tara dyan, mamaya na ako mag-lippy. Kasi, why not? Namamatis talaga yung ilong ko. Bakit ngayon pa?
Iba ng tatak mo ba?
Kung titignan mo na kung kaano katagal na yung katagal na umalis si ate sa isipin mo na umalis siya grade 8 ako mag-grade 11 na ako. Makakaulit na ka. Thanks yun yung thumbnail ko
Dito. Hindi ako bagong gising.
Food haul.
Ganyan-ganyan ka pa, inaano mo naman yan. Pina-timelapse mo lang naman yan.
Hindi naka-timelapse. Ito na kayo na. Nanggirapan.
Itong bato kanina, sobrang bago.
Paano karami? Tapos bundok. What are you getting? From Curry? No thanks. Thanks to ravioli. I already bet mine. Can you buy into yours? Please?
Okay. It's full cheese ravioli.
Yes. Types of ravioli. Hindi ka pa may cheese pool.
Lahat to klampo.
Look at my arms. Fit check. Si mama pa